Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing well. Haven't made a video in a little bit. It was a long summer filled with travel, and I just want to thank everybody who's been loyal to the channel, watched the channel over these months, over these years. We crossed 8,000 subscribers. Just want to thank all of you. Very humbled, very appreciative, and hope you're finding all of my videos informative, and many of you using those videos on how to fold a suit jacket, how to fold your pants for your luggage, how to fold things when you have to travel without wrinkles when you get to your destination, and you don't have to bring carry-on bags or hangers or plastic or tissue paper. You don't need any of it. So check out some of the other videos that I have on the channel. Thank you all for subscribing and using that notification bell, and just watching and having a good time here. That's what we're all about, is having a good time with men's fashion. And what do we have today? We have an amazing custom-made boot. It's a one-of-one. There's nothing like it. A particular customer of ours wanted something very, very special, and we helped him design this boot for an event that he has, and we're going to show it to you right now. It's in the box right here. I have not seen this either, so I haven't seen it in person myself. It just came today from Spain. The tape is still intact. Haven't seen it yet, and we're going to open it right now and show it to you and show you what the materials that were used to make this boot. It's very unique, so I hope you like it, and here we go. Okay, welcome back. We have the box here, and let me get my scissor that I have over here. Here we go. We have the security tape, which has not been breached. So not even anyone in U.S. Customs looked at this boot. We're going to open this up, and we're going to see what it is. I know the coloration because I saw the three-dimensional computer rendering of this boot and chose the materials, helped the customer choose the materials. And we're going to actually see what this is. First, like we're going to do the smell test. What you got to do with new shoes is you always got to do the smell test. So that'll be the first thing. We do that. And, just like that guy who says everybody knows the rules, one bite, we got to do the smell test. So here we go. It's a boot. So you get a larger box with the boot. This is called the, let's read it right on here, the Military Brogue. So that's the design of the bottom of the boot, Military Brogue. We're going to open it up. Ooh, I could already smell the new leather. I could already smell it. Let's see without looking. Oh, yeah, that's brand new. You know, get into a new car and you just love that new car smell. This is the new shoe smell. It just smells so good. I'm going to put this, let me rest the bottom over here. Now, I haven't seen it myself. Let me see. This is going to balance. Nope, not going to balance. Just going to put it on the floor. So, here we go. The new boot in the Military Brogue. And let's unveil it right now. Whoa, look at that. That is something. Look at that. Look at that from the front, from the side, from the back, from the bottom. I mean, that is a real special bottom. Do you ever see like a dressy boot with a bottom like this? I mean, that is really, really unique. Let me show you a little close up here. So the top part, this part here, the center part, the base of the shoe, that is a black suede, beautiful, soft, luxury suede. The inside is finished with a tan leather. And also this little part back here, which can be customized to a different material or color, but that's also black suede with a little pull-on loop. So you can pull on your boot very, very easily. And now you have the eyelets, and you have these right here, the hooks, so you can hook it up right around your ankle. You have the beautiful perforations on the toe and across the back. And that is just a lovely, lovely boot. Something you can wear dressy because it has actually black rubber sole. This is the wedge sole in black rubber. It comes in white, comes in black, and it comes in caramel. So you can choose those three colors in the wedge sole. And black round leather laces, because you have the option of also flat laces. But in this boot, this is the correct choice in the black round laces. I mean, really, really beautiful. This is a size 12, so you get an idea of the size of that boot right there. I love the perforation. That's just a beautiful, beautiful addition to this shoe. It's a very, very classic wingtip looking But to use these type of materials, this sort of like, actually in Italy, they call this color coyo. So this is like a tan brandy, like a cognac brandy color with the black suede. Just, I mean, really came out stunning. All hand sewn, all handmade. The tongue is also black suede, although that could have been another color. And you could really customize these yourself right on the website. Military Brogue is available. Customization takes 27 days. This is a one of one. Never made a shoe like this in this materials combination. Never made a shoe like this in this color combination. And I think it came out great. And look how light. Usually boots are heavy. Look, very, very, very lightweight. So not going to be heavy on your foot, whether you want to wear this in the winter or the spring or the fall. You can wear it in all different types of weather. Jeans, even a suit, pair of pants with a sport coat. A lot of different functions you can use this for. So there it is, Military Brogue with full perforation all the way around in two-tone, leather and suede, and with the wedge sole in black. I hope you liked it. And give me your comments. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? Would you change the color? Would you do something different? Would you make it all leather? Would you make it all suede? Would you make this part crocodile or make the toe crocodile? Or just make this crocodile? Would you add any color accents? Would you change the sole to white? Might be cool in white, like a sneaker boot. Interesting things you can do. And we could do it all. Made in Spain. Handmade in Spain. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell when a new video comes out. We got a lot of custom-made suits coming. Just did a father and son custom handmade suits. Those are coming in. I'm going to show those to you next, hopefully in the next video. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you all again when I am back at it.